Hello CLAT aspirants. So the exam is around the corner and you are one step away to your dream college. So at this time, I'm sure you must be having goosebumps while thinking of the CLAT exam. So today in this video, I'm going to share you top 10 last minute tips to level up your preparations. So giving you a quick revision to the law pattern, we have 5 areas to be covered in the CLAT exam. Firstly, English. Second, GK and current affairs. Thirdly, elementary mathematics, legal aptitude and logical reasoning. So we know that GK and legal section of CLAT exam is going to cover around 50% of the CLAT exam. Total 150 multiple choice questions will be there. With every wrong answer, 0.25 marks will be deducted. So at this point of time, I strongly advise you not to read any new concept or read any new chapter. This will confuse your mind and will lessen your productivity. You need to get up your output at this time so that you can recap and revise your already done concepts. So GK and legal section of CLAT exam is very important as the questions will be passage based and you have to be smart enough to read the passage and give the answers accordingly. So it is recommended to recapitulate the current affairs and the legal acts which are more important from the CLAT point of view. You can also watch this video, which is a GK marathon on the current affairs and the news which are relevant for the CLAT exam. Ideally, students will be giving the mock test during this time. And you must be getting underestimated or must be getting overconfident on your mock scores. However, mocks are just the practice tests. For example, in cricket, we know that all the cricket players, they must be going for the training and practice tests. But ultimately, their performance stands during the match. So mocks are just your training time. Do not get overconfident for your high scores in mock or do not get underconfident or underestimated, demotivated due to your lower mocks. So keep up with your practice and work hard. In fact, at this point, you can plan your mocks in a way as if you are mimicking the CLAT exam so that you remain active during the hours when the CLAT is actually being conducted. So now is the time to focus more on your stronger areas. So for example, if you're not very comfortable with logical reasoning or numerical ability, so you can plan your last hours in a way that you give more time to the stronger areas and lesser time to the weaker areas. I'm not saying to avoid the weaker areas, but you can try or you can plan your schedule in a way that you give more time in revising the concepts wherein you're very strong at. Definitely, you must be hearing it a lot from all your friends, family, relatives to stay positive during the exam and just be happy. Definitely optimism is important whenever you are preparing yourself for the final day. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement and nothing can be done without hope. All the important decisions in the world are taken with the positive, with the optimism only. So prepare yourself, prepare your mind in a way that this is just an exam and not your entire life. Do not overstress yourself and just stay calm. Most of you must be having a habit of studying till late night and waking up late in the morning. Till now, it was fine, but as we know that the exam is scheduled during the afternoon hours, which is ideally the most laziest hours of the day. So plan your mock tests according to the actual exam so that you can set a biological clock till the time your CLAT exam is being scheduled. Try to wake up early and maintain a routine, exercise a bit, keep yourself hydrated, revise and then give a mock test during the test hours. It will definitely ameliorate your productivity and you will see that when you will be giving the CLAT exam, you'll feel more confident and more active even during the afternoon hours. So say yes to confidence and a big no to the wild guesses. So CLAT aspirants, you all know that with every wrong answer, you will be getting 0.25 negative marks. So no wild guesses while attempting the questions. However, you can adopt the deductive method wherein you can just deduce the options to 2 and then picking out the more relevant or most appropriate answer to the particular question. But this won't work in current or legal section, as you all know. They are more fact based. But yes, for English and for other areas, you can at least follow up this. But even then, students, big no to the guesswork. This is the most underrated or underestimated tip I've ever seen. We keep on telling students that please read the questions properly before attempting the answer. And every time I come up with the student saying that, ma'am, I knew this answer, but I perceived it something else and I gave the wrong attempt. So kindly avoid making such mistakes, because you know the value of each question, each mark to be given to you. So you can lose an important or your dream college with just 1 mark. So do not commit such mistakes. Read the question properly. Try to attain what the question is actually giving you and then attempt the answer. Do not make any perceptions regarding the questions. Just give the answers as and when what is required. And last but not the least, stay happy and healthy. This is the tropical monsoon season in India. Of course, we are enduring too much heat in the northern region, and we are overhearing the news of the arrival of monsoon in the Indian subcontinent. So it's hot and humid around. So stay hydrated, eat a lot of fruits, and keep yourself active during the day hours, as I've been telling. So happiness is the key to success, and the sound mind lives in a sound body. So we've been hearing it a lot right from the childhood that, a sound mind lives in a sound body. So be kind to your body for these days, at least till your exam, and avoid eating junk foods which actually drains your energy. So that is all for today. But yes, I am repeating it again and again that this is just an exam and it is not your entire life, right? As the Bhagavad Gita's famous verse says, Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan. So, level up your preparations, do your best, work hard, revise all the concepts, perform your duty, but do not have any expectations. So this is Nitika signing off for today. If you like this video, please share it to other CLAT aspirants also and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.